Here is yet another Mcgraw Edison model 124004 12-inch 3-speed comfort van. And this one actually really was like new. However, the only thing about it that's bad is the knob needs fixed. I could show you from the other side, but as you can see kind of by looking in there, it moves. It's not locked in place correctly. But other than that, this thing is in definitely really good shape. I'm going to go around to the back and show you that. Well, it does look like it was almost like new. You guys all know now, I think, how much I seem to enjoy stuff that was considered to be new in the box. But sometimes it truly is a scam. But not in this case. There is the, oh, there is something on it. It's not perfect, but I think it probably got a little bit of use. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go back this way and turn it on for you guys. It does still work. Here we go. Doesn't blow bad air. Got some vibration on this thing on medium. Jeez. Go on to the other side here. So there was a little bit of a mess up there, so I am going to turn this down on here from low, and that'll be the video. There we go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.